Morgan's theorem. So we have the two De Morgan's theorem. The first theorem states that, right, the complement of the, this is a complement, right, the complement of the product of the variables, variable means AVR the variable, the complement of the product of the variable is equal to the sum of the individual complement of the variable, right. So what is the theorem 2? The whole complement of the sum of the variable is equal to the product of the individual complement of the variable is called as the De Morgan's theorem, second theorem. So here we can write A into B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. It means we are going to convert this product term into the sum term. The one of the application of De Morgan's theorem is we can convert the SOP function to the POS function, or we can convert the POS function to the SOP function, right. So then one more application of the De Morgan's theorem is that when you are going to convert any kind of logic circuit in terms of completely NAND representation or NOR representation, there we are going to apply the De Morgan's theorem. If you want to verification whether it is correct or not, just I am taking the two inputs value, these are the possibilities, then I am going to find the answer for A bar B. This is the answer we got. Then we are going to find the answer for A bar plus B bar. This is the answer. So both LHS equal to RHS, means we can write AB whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. What are the applications of the De Morgan's theorem? The De Morgan's theorem used to convert the Boolean expression of SOP to POS or POS function to the SOP function. What do you mean by this? If you consider here, this is what kind of term it is? Product term. Product term is nothing but the SOP function. This we are going to convert into the POS form. Here if you see that it is the sum term is nothing but the POS form, which we are converting in terms of the product term. So one of the application is that we can convert the SOP to the POS. Then one more application is that we can used in the implementation of the universal logic gate. The moment you are trying to convert the different set of logic circuit diagram in terms of completely NAND gate representation or in terms of completely NOR gate representation, we used to apply either De Morgan's theorem 1 or De Morgan's theorem 2, right. What is duality theorem? For